You know this sound. You've heard it hundreds of times before. And to many, it's just one of the sounds of the holiday season. But to others, it is the sound of hope. You may only hear our bells during the holidays, but at the Mobile Baldwin Salvation Army, we hear them ringing 24 hours a day, every day of the year. They ring with the anguished cries of a neighbor whose home and belongings have gone up in flames. The blank stares of a family faced with the devastation from a storm. The desperate eyes of someone who is homeless. We hear the ringing every day, and we're there, sometimes when no one else is, responding to the call with hot meals, warm blankets, comfort, a second chance, and most of all, hope.
I would say hope for me is a second chance at life and starting over again.
I mean, as long as there's hope that I can keep my head up and I can always continue to try to, not just so much try, I can do pretty much the things I want to do.
We give hope not only to those who are victims, but to the entire Mobile Baldwin community. Even if we've never handed you a blanket or provided you with a meal, we give you hope for a brighter future, for a more compassionate, more benevolent society, for something greater than ourselves. Hope. We see the need for it every day. We hear it calling. And we will never stop answering the bell.